The Battle of the Boyne occurred on July 1st, 1690, near the River Boyne in County Meath, Ireland, during the Williamite War in Ireland. It was a key conflict between the forces of King William III of England, William of Orange, and those of King James II, his father-in-law, who had been deposed during the Glorious Revolution. William's army, primarily Protestant and supported by the Dutch Republic and Protestant loyalists in Ireland, faced James's predominantly Catholic army composed of Irish and French troops. The battle unfolded as William's forces crossed the Boyne River, engaging James's troops in fierce combat. Despite initial setbacks, William's superior tactics and numerical advantage led to a decisive victory. The battle effectively secured William's position as King of England, Scotland, and Ireland, solidifying Protestant ascendancy in Ireland. Although James II's forces retreated, the conflict had lasting implications, shaping Irish politics and exacerbating sectarian tensions. The Battle of the Boyne is commemorated annually by Protestant Unionists in Northern Ireland, emphasizing its significance in the region's history and identity. Conversely, for many Irish nationalists, it symbolizes a defeat and the subjugation of Catholic interests by the Protestant ruling class.